Hello guys, this training is training level 20. So I put some trades that I follow for months. It means, let's say I bought a stock, I make a video. Then after I will show you where I bought it, the stop loss, the initial stop loss, where I put it. And then I follow this, and I follow the stock. And each week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it depends on if the stock has made a new information. I will show you how I follow the stock and how I change my stop loss to become what we call to become what we call an exit point. It means you are following. So some stocks I have 2 months. Some stocks I have 3 months, and one stock I have 5 months, 2 weeks. It means 5 months, 2 weeks. Each week or 2 or 3, I will make a video live and I will explain to you what did happen to the stock and what did I do, and I explain what my expectation. And I will always change the exit point until I finish the trade. So if you are interested to know how I trade in real, these are real techniques and it is so simple. If you just know my strategies, you will be doing great trades like this. So thank you very much. If you have any question whatsoever, please send me an email. Thank you very much.